Today is Tisha B'Av in Jerusalem. Let's head down to the Old City and see what it's like on Tisha B'Av. Tisha B'Av, the annual Jewish fast day commemorating the destruction of the First and Second Temples, along with other tragedies in Jewish history. By the way, I'm at Jaffa Gate, about to enter the Old City. There are security forces everywhere. There aren't many people around because it's so hot and it's already noon. Come along with me. I'll show you what's happening and give you a look at the shops here in the Old City. Let's explore together. We're now making our way to the Wailing Wall, also known as the Western Wall. Tisha B'Av is the major day of mourning in the Jewish calendar. It commemorates several tragic events in Jewish history, most notably, the destruction of the First Temple by the Babylonians in 586 BCE. * the destruction of the Second Temple by the Romans in 70 CE. We've arrived at the Western Wall complex. This is one of the most important and sacred sites in Jerusalem. On Tisha B'Av, many observant Jews fast for about 25 hours, no food or drink, refrain from bathing, wearing leather shoes, and other comforts, sit on low stools or the floor during part of the day as a sign of mourning. Read the Book of Lamentations, which mourns the destruction of Jerusalem. This section is the prayer area for men. The women's prayer section is on the other side. Before the Tisha B'Av fast begins, the Western Wall fills with prayer, tears, and reflection. Thousands gather at the ancient stones to remember the past and carry the story of generations forward. After the prayers, people come here to wash their hands. Some do so as part of the ritual, before eating the final meal before the Tisha B'Av fast, while others are following different Jewish customs. This side is the women's prayer section at the western wall. Many people leave the western wall by walking backward for a few steps, or even all the way to the plaza, as a sign of respect and reverence. The custom is based on the idea that one should not turn their back immediately on a place of great holiness. Similar customs exist in other religious traditions, where people avoid turning their backs on a sacred site. This practice is a custom, not a requirement. Some people do it, while others simply turn and walk away normally. It is especially common among those who follow traditional or Orthodox Jewish practices. I'm going to exit from the other side now, so I can show you another part of the old city of Jerusalem. Some people are praying here while lying and sitting on the ground, a traditional expression of mourning and humility observed on Tisha. By the way, many of the shops are closed today. Most of the businesses on this side are owned by Arab residents, as this area is part of the Muslim quarter of the Old City of Jerusalem. Come along with me. Let's explore this side of the Old City together.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't break.
This is the Austrian Hospice, a historic landmark in Jerusalem's Old City, known for its beautiful courtyard, cafe, and panoramic rooftop views.
Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number. Take one last time, make it enough. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Via Dolorosa in Jerusalem. The vendors are kindly showing me their souvenirs and rosaries, trying to make a sale. Maybe another time, thank you. So I came out through the same gate where I entered. The Jaffa Gate, also called Jaffa Gate, one of the main entrances to the old city of Jerusalem. It's still very hot, but the walk through the old city has been an amazing experience.
אנא תפסיקו את הגב והראשים, התמקמות קיצונית, וחוסר תפקוד, על ידי זריקת אינטרנט והסרטים. אנא תפילו על שפת ים, וחנויות למכור רק שבצדים
Now let me take you to an open-air shopping mall called Mamila, just outside the old city of Jerusalem.
Hola, aquí también está aroma.
Some shops are still closed. They said they will open in the afternoon, after Tisha B'Av ends.
And now it feels like
This is Mamila Avenue, an open-air shopping area just outside the old city of Jerusalem. Here you can find shops, cafes, restaurants, and beautiful views of the ancient city walls. I hope you enjoyed this virtual walk and stroll through the old city of Jerusalem with me. Thank you for joining me as we explored the streets, the holy sites, the atmosphere, and even did a little window shopping along the way. I hope you felt like you were walking beside me and experiencing this beautiful journey together. Before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know which place in Jerusalem you would like to explore with me in the next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you on the next walk.